Welcome to your new teaching journey with engaging and easy-to-use Extramarks teaching platform. If you are a web user, follow these simple steps to schedule your live class. Click on Live Class or Classes tab. Click on Schedule Live Class. Select class details such as board, class, section, subject, chapter. Select date, time and duration to schedule the live class. You can line up your lectures for a week if it is scheduled for the same time and same class by checking the recurring box. Give a suitable name to your live class lecture. In case you want to share some handouts or lecture notes with the students prior to the class, you can upload it from here. Now, click on the Schedule Live Class button. You can see all your scheduled live classes by clicking the Upcoming Classes tab. Congratulations! You have successfully scheduled the live class. Steps to start the scheduled live class. To start the scheduled live class, click on Start Now while you are still in the Upcoming Classes section. Click on Start Now to start your scheduled class. Congratulations! You have successfully started your scheduled live class. For mobile users also, scheduling and starting a live class is as easy. Click on Schedule Now from the dashboard. Click on Schedule Live Class tab. Select class details such as board, class, section, subject, chapter. You can line up your lectures for a week if it is scheduled for the same time and same class by checking the recurring box. Select date, time and duration to schedule the live class. Click on Schedule Live Class. In the upcoming classes, you will see all scheduled live classes. Congratulations! You have learned how to schedule a live class. To start the scheduled live classes, while you are in the upcoming classes section, click on Start Now. Teachers can start the class up to 5 minutes prior to the scheduled time. Click on Start Now on the welcome window of live class. Congratulations! You have now learned to successfully start the scheduled live class.